Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be guiding you through how to identify asymmetric centers. We're going to be going over some examples. This document you will have access to and be able to practice from. We're going to go through a couple together. I want you to do the rest on your own. Okay, so when you look at a molecule, you should be scanning for carbons that have more branch points, right? We can ignore any carbons that are sp2 because asymmetric centers cannot be sp2 carbons. They have to be sp3 carbons bonded to 4 distinct atoms or groups. Here are the 2 asymmetric centers in the molecule. In this video, what I'm going to have you do is kind of pause the video after I identify for you the asymmetric centers, and I want you to rationalize it. Okay, pause and rationalize. Next example. In this structure, we have 1, 2, 3 asymmetric centers. Pause and rationalize. In this next example, we have 1, 2, 3 asymmetric centers. Pause and rationalize. Let's skip over now to this molecule here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 asymmetric centers. Let me quick scan the molecule to make sure that there are no others. That looks good. We have 4 asymmetric centers. Pause and rationalize. We're going to do number 5 together now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 asymmetric centers. Pause and rationalize. And we'll do one more example here. This is the structure of heroin. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 asymmetric centers. Pause and rationalize. And we'll do one more together. In this molecule, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 asymmetric centers. I want you to pause and now rationalize that. Excellent. Okay, so I really want you guys to be able to very quickly scan a molecule and be able to identify asymmetric centers. It's so important. At first, you might have to compare and contrast atoms and draw them out. That's entirely okay. If you have to draw it out and say bromine, hydrogen, carbon with the bromine as opposed to carbon that's bonded to another carbon, 4 distinct groups. You'll be able to do this faster in time, I promise, but be meticulous at the outset and be diligent, be quick, and be able to identify your asymmetric centers. So important.